How to find the distance between 2 points. Find the distance between the two given points. We have A with coordinates -4, 1, and B with coordinates -1, -3. So let's first recall the formula. Remember, the distance formula is D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And the x1s and y1s and x2 and y2, they correspond to different points. If we had point A with coordinates x1, y1, and point B with coordinates x2, y2, then this would be the distance between those 2 points. We can identify our values using what was given. So x1 would be -4, y1 would be 1, x2 would be -1, and y2 would be -3. Scrolling down, I'm just going to substitute what we now have into our formula. D equals x2, which was -1, minus x1, which was -4. I'm going to make sure I put that in parentheses here. Remember, this is exactly what x1 is, -4. So we want to make sure we subtract -4. This is going to be squared plus y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is +1, squared. And then we will take the square root of this all. All right, let's go ahead and simplify this one bit at a time. Let's check out what is inside the parentheses here. Well, we first have -1 minus -4. That's like saying -1 plus 4, and that'll get us 3. So we have 3 squared here, plus -3 minus 1, and that is -4. -4 squared, and then we will be taking the square root of this. Next, let's go ahead and square these values. 3 squared is 9. -4 squared is 16. Taking the square root of this. 9 plus 16, we get 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. This is a distance, so we want to make sure we have a +5 here. And that checks out. So the distance between these 2 points is 5 units.